Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Lloyds bank account online for international students. First, go to the Lloyds bank website. Then, click on the menu icon from the top left side. Here, click on Current Accounts and then select Youth and Student Account. Now, scroll down to see the account options. You'll find both the Smart Start for under 90s and the Student Account. For example, let's check the Student Account. Click on More About Student Account. Here, click on Ready to Apply. To apply for a new account, click on Continue on the website. Then, scan the QR code using your mobile phone to continue on your device. Now, click on Continue. Next, answer yes or no to whether you're an existing Lloyds Bank customer. Then, answer yes or no to whether you already have a UK current account. Click on Next. Now, enter your first, middle, and last name. Then, select your gender. Enter your title such as Mr., Mrs., Mix, or Doctor. After that, enter your phone number and email address. Then select your date of birth and enter your country of birth. Continue with the remaining steps as prompted to complete your application. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.